Hello, my name is Cadet Albers, and this is my partner, Cadet Rosdahl. We have been tasked with creating a bag of words using VBA and Excel, given data from Amazon, Yelp, and IMDb. The agenda for this deliverable is to show the not trimmed bag of words for these three databases, along with the trimmed bag of words, and the similarities and differences between the untrimmed and trimmed analytics, along with an explanation of how the positive and negative sentiments were calculated and the development of our regular expression. We combined all three databases in order to see how many times each word occurred. After determining how many times each word occurred, we summed the total number of positive words that occurred and subtracted them from the negative words, then divided it by the total number of times the word occurred. It gave us values ranging from -1 to +1. This allowed us to estimate this sentiment's raw value. Next, we defined parameters for values from very negative to neutral to very positive, depending on the raw score. If the value was very negative, a -2 was assigned to the word, where a +2 was assigned to a very positive word. This helped us determine which words were most meaningful and had impact on the data overall. We implemented a simple regular expression. This expression gave a binary result of 1 or 0, depending on if it was a positive or negative sentence. This function was based upon how many times the sentence included a positive or negative word. It gave similar results to the binary sentiment analysis given in each database. On the next slide, you will see a histogram that displays some of the words that are not trimmed. They are based on the positive value words in decreasing order. However, this graph is simply a snapshot of the data and does not show each word in our bag of words.
The second graph is our trim data. We recorded a macro that organized the words from most negative to most positive. From there, we created a function that applied to each column and returned a 0 if the value was not significant enough, which let us delete all the non-meaningful words. Again, this graph does not display each word. Next, some of the most meaningful words are displayed in the table. The words like best, love, don't, and nothing occurred most often, but they also had the greatest raw sentiment value. Based on the two histogram of the trimmed and untrimmed data, many similarities and differences occurred. Both histogram graphs the positive value words and compares the negative values next to them. The untrimmed histogram has approximately 5,500 words, where the trimmed graph has around 280 words. In addition, the variation of words significantly changes in the trimmed histogram. This concludes our deliverable 2A. Thanks for watching.